everyone, this is Galan. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Today we have a very special episode because it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. And of course, as a baker, I finally get to do what I like the most, which I have a clear obsession. I don't want to tell you because I don't want to spoil my video. I'm just gonna show you. So keep watching this clip because I know you're gonna love what I'm gonna make. So, did anyone guess a Matryoshka? Because I have such an obsession. Like, seriously, these nesting dolls are, to me, I don't know, like, seriously, I'm gonna just show you a couple of things that I have, just so that you understand my obsession. I designed my own shoes. Actually, like, I hand painted them with tons of Matryoshkas. I also made face masks. Of course, when I bake, guess what? Guess what my measuring cups are? They're a Matryoshka again. So yeah, this is such an obsession. All of the stuff that I wear on my clothes, little Matryoshkas, some more over here, and you saw this one before, but yeah, just to show you like what the real thing looks like inside. And then you just mix it up. So welcome to my video again. I hope you guys are excited. This is the perfect video for the first time sculptors because it's such an easy shape to carve. So welcome everyone. Let's stop talking and let's start baking. Let's go. So what do you need for this cake besides having cake and buttercream? All you need is like circle cutters to cut to different sizes, one bigger than the other. In my case, I actually have the Matryoshka right in front of me, so I can use it as a reference for the dimensions of my circle cutters. If you don't have one, just use one slightly bigger than the other and then pile it up with your buttercream, just like any regular cake. If you want to use all your scraps, it's a super useful thing if you make cake pop for the top of the head. Cake pop, it's just like the cake scraps mixed up with the buttercream and then you just shape it in your hands to make the head. Then it's time to carve. I always use toothpicks as a reference to see where I have to start carving. This is such an easy cake that you're just gonna have to trim the bottom so that it's actually looking kind of like a bottle of Coke. It resembles me, right? So yeah, just keep trimming until you find the shape that you really want. And the last part of the cake, it is covering it up either with ganache or buttercream and making it really smooth. Why is this important? Because we're gonna leave the cake aside in the fridge overnight so that it hardens up and it's way easier when we're covering up with fondant. So to cover the cake with fondant, you just stretch the fondant, measure it to make sure that it's gonna cover the whole thing. Then you cover it, smooth it with the fondant smoother. Make sure that it looks very smooth like mine. And I just carved the division of the two things, so because it's a Matryoshka, it has two sets, so that it's much easier to do the design transfer after. So what is the design transfer? For some people, it might be easy to just have like a white canvas like this and start painting. And then they're gonna end up with a pretty face, a pretty design. But in my case, that is very hard. I would much rather have something kind of like this, where you can see where the face is supposed to be at, where the eye is supposed to be at. So I decided to do a transfer using the real Matryoshka in front of me, where I have a tool that has a pointy, it's pointed, but it's not gonna break my fondant. It's like a little circle at the end. It's very smooth. So I basically carve all the design that I'm gonna paint after. And it's very hard to see on the video. I'm still gonna show you how I made it. But it's so much easier just to know where the face is gonna be at, where the hands are gonna be at. You're welcome. I know it's gonna be very useful. Finally, painting time. This is my absolute favorite part. This is what I enjoy the most about cakes painting. So yeah, how do I paint the cakes? I have a bunch of edible powdered colors. They're actually called petal dust, and you can find them in cake decorating stores in any available color. There's so many different colors. You can mix and match between them and find the right shades, but the only thing you need besides that and your actual paintbrushes, it's alcohol, because that's what it dilutes with. I actually love using lemon extract because the level of alcohol is very high, so it evaporates really fast. It makes it way easier to paint. So as you can see here, I'm trying to get into the right colors of my real Matryoshka that I have in front of me. The green, the brown, the flowers. The flowers are making it look so much close to the real thing. See, like just getting into the details, it's what makes the cake amazing looking. Yeah, so as you can see in the bottom, I'm just mixing and matching all the colors and I'm playing with it. And it's like my happy place, because while I do this, I get the chance to watch movies, listen to podcasts. I enjoy this part of making the cake, as you probably enjoy watching me explaining how to make the cake. I hope you do. So details. This is actually my absolute favorite, because it makes the difference between a sloppy cake and a good looking cake. In this case, I'm actually going to use a very fine tip edible marker, where I'm gonna make the blue eyes, the nose, the mouth, and everything else that has black, because everything in this design has like these little fine details of black stuff. So yeah, as you can see, if you don't have these markers, you can also do it with a very fine paintbrush. It's just gonna take you a little bit longer. And voila, it's done. Do you like it? I hope you do, because it's my birthday cake and it's so darn cute. I love it. Probably gonna enjoy me eating my cake on my birthday. So yeah, it's right here. I've eaten a piece of it already. But I really enjoyed making it. I hope you guys loved it and really try it. And wish me a happy birthday. You guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed my video. And don't forget to subscribe at Cake Factory Ale or Ale, whatever you want. Bye.